Story begins with attorney Carlos So, a Bureau of Customs official, filing libel charges against journalist Raffy Tulfo and two editors. The controversy erupted after Tulfo published and broadcast allegations of corruption involving So. These allegations quickly caught public attention, highlighting the tension between government officials and the press. The Sandiganban, a special court in the Philippines, initially convicted Tulfo and his co-accused. This conviction raised important questions about the boundaries of investigative journalism and the risks journalists face when exposing alleged wrongdoing by public officials. The case set the stage for a significant legal battle, one that would test the limits of press freedom and the protection of public interest reporting. As the case reached the Supreme Court, the focus shifted to the fundamental rights of freedom of speech and of the press. The court described these freedoms as the most pervasive and powerful tools for informing the government of public grievances. Importantly, because Attorney So was a public official, the court applied the actual malice standard. This meant that, for Tulfo and the editors to be convicted, there had to be clear proof that they either knowingly published false information or acted with reckless disregard for the truth. This standard is crucial in protecting journalists who report on matters of public concern, ensuring that public officials cannot easily use libel laws to silence criticism or investigative reporting. After a thorough review, the Supreme Court found no evidence of actual malice. Tulfo and his co-petitioners had relied on sources, acted within the bounds of investigative journalism, and addressed a matter of significant public concern, alleged corruption in a major government agency. The prosecution failed to prove that the journalists acted with deliberate falsity or reckless disregard for the truth. As a result, Tulfo and the editors were acquitted. This landmark decision reinforces the constitutional protection for critical reporting on public officials. It sends a clear message. Libel laws cannot be weaponized to silence watchdog journalism unless the high bar of actual malice is unmistakably met.